Talking about Discovery now, this is the one that we own in the hot stocks portfolio, and Paul is very, very positive about the story. It is a financial services company that began in 1992, so that's not very old, and it started as a medical aid administrator.
Yes, founded by Adrian Gore, not as old as the others, so it doesn't have such a long history, but certainly the forefront of pioneering and innovation in the sector, which is a very old sector, so it's quite exciting what they've been able to achieve. They operate in Africa, the UK, USA. They've got some exciting operations in China, which have yet to bear fruit. Yeah. Market cap of 86 billion rand, a price to earnings ratio of 21.95, and a dividend yield of 1.34%.
And when we say Africa, it's obviously South Africa. That's the one area that they don't seem ready to explore, is beyond South Africa's borders.
Correct. They've looked at Africa, but I don't think they've found anything interesting enough. Very innovative company, really done well from really small beginnings to become by far the most innovative of the long-term insurers in South Africa. Brexit hit them pretty hard because they bought their asset there, Prudential, pre-Brexit. But they've taken strong corrective action. So you see more developed world play, to be honest, not so much a developing market play. I think they believe their vitality and what they have to offer is more a sophisticated market offering. And I think they have a point there. They have a good position in those sophisticated markets. So most probably correct for their offering. Of course, the bank offering, which is coming online.
Imminent now.
Imminent. And so you're seeing this constant innovation. So really a nice financial services business started Discovery Insure, the short-term offering, very fast growing, not profitable yet, but they say it's going to get there. But really they aim to take a stake in a market and splash out in that market.
Let's talk about Ping An, because this seems to be now a very exciting growth arena for the company post their most recent results.
So Ping An is the biggest insurer in China. They don't have a stake in Ping An. It sometimes gets confusing.
It's a JV.
They've got a stake in a subsidiary of Ping An, which they run together, and they're trying to push health insurance throughout China. Obviously, the exciting part is that it's a huge stat, the amount of out-of-pocket pay for medical spend within China. And so it's coming off a very low base. That's very exciting. And then, of course, their ability to push their innovative products onto consumers. It makes sense to the consumer. The consumer likes to be rewarded for being healthy and for being fit. So you can, China has a massive government-backed push into getting their people healthy. I know we talk about it when we talk about Nike, and Nike themselves talk about it, how much money is being put into getting their people active. So why not, collaborate with Discovery and the biggest health insurer in the country?
So perhaps where Sanlam is one for the bottom drawer, steady as she goes, Ian Kirk making very qualified decisions, testing the market first before deploying further capital. Here, we potentially could shoot the lights out. This could be the one that really transforms the insurance landscape globally. Correct. In the near term.
Yes, so you've got a very good base business inside Discovery with what we call optionality, because you've got these Ping Ans and various markets that we've spoken about, and the bank, that have almost an optionality to it, where you could say, shoot the lights out. Could they really hit it right in China? Then you're looking at a lot of upside in the share price.
Do we go hot?
Well, we really are hot.
Should I even ask you that question?
I think another thing to point out, when you look at the companies that are really doing well at the moment, the Googles, the Facebooks, the Amazons, they have an incredible software to sell to people. Vitality with Discovery is an incredible software. Their ability to white label Vitality and sell it throughout the world is an incredible product. All the data that they're picking up just through Vitality in the first place is amazing. And getting healthcare more efficient is absolutely key. We saw Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger yesterday talking after that Berkshire AGM, and how key efficiency is within the healthcare system, and that's exactly what Discovery are trying to achieve.
Hot, we're hot.
Yes, I'm hot on this one.